Today we are going to be solving LeetCode problem 268, the missing number. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So for our first example, we have an array with numbers 3, 0, and 1, so our missing number is 2. And the same thing can be said for example number 2, where we have the numbers 0 and 1 in our array, but the missing number is, again, 2. So solving this problem can be either really difficult and complex, or it can be really simple and easy. We'll take the easy and simple route. So since there's only one number missing, we can find it by computing the difference between the sum of, let's say, 1, we can do 1 plus 2 plus so on and so forth, all the way to plus n. And using our math knowledge, we know that this is just the sum of the natural numbers, which is going to equal n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And the actual sum of the given numbers, sum of nums, and then that is the difference is equal to the only missing value. So the way to program this is we say n equals the length of the numbers array, and then we just return the integer of n times n plus 1 divided by 2 minus the sum of nums. And that's it. That's how you solve the problem. So as you can see, this is an extremely optimal solution, and our time complexity is O of n because of the sum function, and it depends on the size of the array nums, and our space complexity is just O of 1.